Hi, hello everyone. Today we are discussing some important questions on the set theory. In the last video, we are discussing about the concept of the set theory, what is set, how to represent the set, types of sets, and the operations of the sets. Operations like a union, intersection, like that. Today we begins with PYQs. One of the simple question: if A is a empty set, then the N of P of A. P of A means power set. P of A means power set. A is already empty set. There is no elements present in the A. A is empty set. Then the P of A is equals to 2 to the power 0. That means only 1 is the power set of A. Then the P of A, that means power set of P of A, that is equals to P of A contains only one element, 2 to the power 1, that is equals to 2. Then the answer for this question is 2. Now move to the PYQs. This question will be asked in the 2015 JEE mains. Let A and B, two sets containing 4 and 2 elements respectively. N of A is equals to 4 and the N of B 2. Then the number of subsets of a set A cross B N of A cross B is equals to 4 into 2. We are getting 8. 8 elements are there in A cross B, each having at least 3 elements in the set. That means the condition minimum 3 elements should be there. Now the total number of subsets of A cross B is 2 to the power 8 minus 1 null set, because every set having an empty set as a subset. And also subtract the subsets which is having only one element. Those subsets are having a single element. That subsets also you have to subtract it. Totally 8 single element subsets are there. Then also subtract the elements, 2 element sets. That means 8C2. By the help of the permutation and combination concept, you can write the value of 8C2. 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. 8 factorial write as it is, and the 8 minus 6 is a 6 factorial into 2 factorial. The 6 factorial and the 6 factorial cancel out, remaining 8 into 7 will be there. And divide by 2 into 1. 2 1s are 2 4s are, totally 28 elements are there in 8C2. 2 to the power 8 means 256 minus 1 minus 8 minus 28. 256 minus 1 minus 8 minus 28, we are getting a 219. Then the option number A is the right for this question. Now move to the next question. Let A which contains totally 7 elements are there. In the set B, 4 elements are there. Then the number of elements in the set C is a subset of A. C must be a subset of A, and such that C intersection B is not an empty set. C intersection B not equal to null set. In that way, collect the collection C, that means set C, build a C. 3, 6, 7 are the common elements to both A and B. 3, 6, 7. But 9 is not considered because C must be a subset of A. That is why we are removing this one. In remaining animals in the set A, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4 and the 5 are the remaining elements in the set A. 3 also 2 options is present or not, and 6 also present or not, 7 also present or not. In the same way, all the options having a 2 choices, but the condition is C intersection B is not a empty set. That is why minimum one element should be there in the set. That is why 2 to the power 3 minus 1 into 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 3 means we are getting a 8. 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 into 2 to the power 4 means 16. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 into 16 we are getting 112 elements. In the C set, in the C, totally 112 elements present here. Now the final answer is 112. Now move to the next question. This question is one of the simple questions with simple trick can answer the questions. Yes, set S which contains totally 100 elements are there. The number of non-empty subsets of A such that the product of the elements in A is even. Totally 100 elements will be there. Then the even numbers means 2, 4, 6, and the odd number means 1, 3, 5 like that. Totally 50 even numbers and the 50 odd numbers are there. Then the total number of subsets 2 to the power 100 minus subtract the odd number subsets 2 to the power 50. This type of option is not there in anyone. That is why we make a small changes in the answer. Take the 2 to the power 50 common and the remaining 2 to the power 50 minus 1. This type of option will be there. Option number B is right for this. Now move to the next question. In a class totally 140 students. They are numbered with 1 to 140. All even numbered students are after the mathematics course. Even numbered students are after the mathematics course, and those who are number is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3 means multiples of 3 after the physics. Those who are number is divisible by 5 after the chemistry course. That means n of mathematics were considered set A which contains 140 by 2, totally 70 students after the mathematics. Then the n of physics were considered B set. N of B is equals to again 140 by 3. Totally 46 students are after the physics. Then the n of chemistry were considered n of C. 140 divided by 5. 140 divided by 5. 28 students after the chemistry course. Then find the number of students who did not opt for any three courses. Any three courses are not opted by the students. First, we find out the n of A intersection B. Intersection B. That means that number is divisible by 2 divisible by 2 and divisible by 3 also. Divisible by 3 also. That means 140 divided by 6. That means totally 23 students are opted both maths and the physics. Then find the n of B intersection C. That means those who are opted physics and the chemistry. That number must be divisible by 15. That means 140 by 15. We are getting 9 students. 9 students are opted the physics and the chemistry. Then the n of C intersection A or the A intersection C. That numbers are divisible by both 2 and the 5. That means 140 by 10. Totally 14 students are opted mathematics and the chemistry. Then also find the n of A intersection B intersection C. That means those students that number is divisible by 2, 3 and the 5. That means 140 divided by 30. We are getting 4 students are opted physics, chemistry and the mathematics. Now n of A, now n of A union B union C is equals to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C and minus n of C intersection A. Now that is equals to 70 46 plus 28 and the minus 23 plus 9 plus 14. Also add 4 plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Totally 102 students are there. Now the number of students, totally 140 students. Number of students, those who are not opted any course, that means n of the number of students who did not opt any subjects is equals to 148 minus 102. That is equals to 38. 38 students does not opt any course, physics, chemistry and the mathematics. Now the option number D is the right answers. I hope everyone understand very well. In the next video we are discussing the more questions. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Bye bye.